Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto E6i, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place, my top is Niagara Launcher. So download this launcher from the Play Store, and now I'm just gonna show you how it looks. So here we have our home screen, and home screen you can add your favorite applications you need every day. And here we have alphabetical line, and using alphabetical line we can easily find any app. For example, you need to find the Play Store, so just tap your finger on this alphabetical line and move it to P letter, and here you will have the Play Store. Cool. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. So download it from the Play Store. And it's cool. So this is a minimalistic but beautiful launcher. Here we have apps grouping feature. It's not too handy to use, but it's cool. So here we have contacts, internet, games, media, utilities, and settings. Here we have news panel, and here we have the world huge wallpapers gallery. So this wallpapers gallery is updated every day. You have ads here, you have wallpapers in beautiful resolution, and it's really great. I love it. So for example, I like this wallpaper, and I'm clicking on it and clicking apply. Now wait a while. And cool, as you can see, I have really great, really cute and cool wallpaper here. So that's it. Thanks for watching for second launcher of our top launchers. But on the first place, my top will be, I'll show you it right now, wait a while, will be Microsoft launcher. So Mic Launcher is a really great launcher. Here on the left side we have a glance panel. In the glance we can set up all our widgets, we need to use our smartphone to use our device every day, and it's really great. But the best feature of this launcher is the gestures feature. So you can find gestures here, and for example, using the simple gest, 2 finger swipe up, I can open calendar. For example, of course, you can step it in your way. So as you can see, I can open the calendar just by swiping these 2 fingers up, and it's cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.